Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about one of the superlative degree, the second kind of superlative degree. Unit is language study degree. Subunit is one of the superlative degree. Students, I have written two sentences on blackboard. The first sentence is math is one of the most difficult subjects. Look here, subject is an object, yes, is added. It's a plural degree. Sita is one of the cleverest. Here is est. Adjective is added by est. Girls, again girls is in the plural form. Student, I have written on the blackboard two types of sentences of one of the superlative degree. We are going to study now one of the superlative degree. Now this degree, how to change into positive. Here we have a different rules and different thing to change it into positive degree. Let's learn. Look students, see, look at the blackboard. Math is the subject, is a verb, one of the most, it is the characteristic of superlative degree. Difficult is an adjective, subject is an object. Here Sita is subject, is verb, one of the est is the characteristic of one of the superlative degree. Girls and objective. Now subjects and girls. Now girls is added by s. It's a plural object. Now how to change into positive? It's a superlative. Now let's change into positive. How to change? Look here. At the beginning, first step of while changing into positive students, very few. Understood? We have taken very few words. After that, these objects, subjects. Here is present tense, is means plural are. Then positive characteristic as. Difficult adjective. As. Maths. Look here students. Maths, M capital. Why? Because it's a proper noun. The sentence is like this students. Very few subjects are. Look here. Here it's are. Here it's is. Because subject is plural. Are. You will be asked me, sir, here is yes. Is it plural subject? No. Maths. Maths is one of the very few subjects are as difficult as maths. Understood students? Look, very few. Permanent word we have to use at the beginning of this sentence. After that second method, an object. This sentence object we have taken here. After that third word that adds adjective as maths. Now let's see this example. Very few. Very few. The first word we have taken. After that, what will we take? These object, girls. Understood? Now girls is plural, in the plural form. So we have to use which to which verb? Is, are or am, are. Because it's a present tense, are. As. Clever. As. Sita. Full stop. Look here, students. EST is omitted. One of the omitted. Here, one of the and most. Omitted here. Look here. Positive degree of this sentence is like this, and positive degree of this sentence is like this. We have a two type of sentences. Maths is one of the most. Here, before an adjective, we use here most because this adjective, difficult adjective. Which adjective? Difficult adjective is not added by est. On other hand, clever is added by est. That's why we didn't use here most. And these are the two types of sentences. And how to change into positive degree? Look here. Very few. First step. What is the first step? Very few word is used at the beginning. Second step. After that, an object is used. After that, third step, students, verb is used. Fourth step, students, positive degrees characteristic as, adjective as, adjective as, and then subject. Look here, math is the subject in the first sentence, but in second sentence it is used as an object here already. With this subject is taken for your kind information. It's not a wrong way. Math in this sentence is subject. So I have given you in the step, fifth step, subject is used. Subject is used means this math. An object, look here, math is subject, is verb, one of the most is characteristic of superlative degree of one of the superlative, difficult is adjective and subject is here object. In the first sentence, subject is an object and math is subject. But look, see, observe, in second sentence, this object becomes here subject and this subject became here an object. Understood, student? In this sentence, in same case here. Understood now, student? We have studied here two type of sentences. One of the most and one of that est. Means the characteristic of this degree is one of the most. And here, one of the est. How to identify superlative degree? It's a very easy way to understand, students. Look here. If you find in a sentence one of the most, definitely one of the superlative degree. If you find one of the dash is definitely one of the superlative degree. Students, we have two types of superlative degrees. Simple superlative degree already we have learnt yesterday. You have learnt yesterday. Now this is the second kind of superlative degree. What is the second kind of superlative degree, students? One of the superlative degree. Math is one of the most difficult subjects. Superlative, one of the superlative degree is always in the form of plural. Look, two sentences. Observe two sentences here. It's a plural degree, it's a plural degree. Very few. While changing into positive degree, students, very few word is taken after that object. Why I am saying here object? Because subject is here and is used as an object. So this object became subject here after that verb as adjective, as, and this subject became here an object. The sentence is very few subjects are as difficult as maths. Here, very few girls are as clever as Sita. What is the characteristic of this degree? One of the most. If you find this word, one of, look, it means it's one of the superlative degree. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण वन ऑफ द सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्रीचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. मी पायावर 2 वाक्य लिहिली होती. Math is one of the most difficult subjects and Sita is one of the cleverest girls. ही 2 वाक्य वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची आहे. कारण ही 2 वाक्य पॉझिटिव्ह मध्ये त्यांचं रूपांतर करताना वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने बघा कसं झालं. व्हेरी फ्यू, तुम्हाला कदाचित दोन्ही वाक्य थोडीफार समान वाटेल. तर इथं EST गेलेला आहे फक्त. या ठिकाणी मोस्ट, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हे शब्द या ठिकाणी आपण ओमिटेड केलेले आहे, काढून टाकलेले आहे, रिमूव्ह केलेले आहे. या वाक्यातले वन ऑफ द आणि हे जे ऍडजेक्टिव्ह आहे क्लेवर, विशेषण, त्याचा जो EST या डिग्रीला आहे तो आपण या ठिकाणी काढून टाकलेला आहे आणि ऍज आणि ऍज च्या मध्ये त्याला वापरलेला आहे. इथे व्हेरी फ्यू शब्द घेतला ही डिग्री, या वाक्याची डिग्री चेंज करताना इथे व्हेरी फ्यू शब्द घेतला, कुठलाही बदल नाही. ऑब्जेक्ट घेतलंय, प्लुरल आहे, आर आहे, तर ऍज क्लेवर ऍज, इथे डिफिकल्ट, म्हणजे दोन्हीही वाक्य तुम्हाला पॉझिटिव्ह करताना जरी सारखे वाटत असले परंतु वाक्य मात्र कशा या ठिकाणी इथे मोस्ट वापरलेला आहे फक्त आणि द EST बाकी पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री करताना कुठलाही असा फरक दिसत नाही. व्हेरी फ्यू सब्जेक्ट्स आर ऍज, म्हणजे व्हेरी फ्यू हा शब्द घ्या. पहिली जी स्टेप आहे व्हेरी फ्यू शब्द अगोदर घ्यायचा. त्यानंतर पहिल्या वाक्यातला जो या ठिकाणी कर्म आहे, जे कर्म आहे सब्जेक्ट, ते या ठिकाणी आपण काय म्हणून वापरलं? करता. व्हेरी फ्यू सब्जेक्ट्स हा झाला करता. व्हेरी फ्यू सब्जेक्ट्स अनेक वचनी करता असल्यामुळे या ठिकाणी आपण क्रियापद वापरलं अनेक वचनी आर. कारण कार वापरलं तर हे वाक्य आहे वर्तमान काळात, म्हणून डिग्री सुद्धा आपली चेंज करताना वर्तमान काळातच होईल म्हणून आर. मग पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्रीचं जे वैशिष्ट्य आहे, कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक म्हणजे वैशिष्ट्य, ऍज, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपण काय वापरला? ऍडजेक्टिव्ह. ऍडजेक्टिव्ह म्हणजे विशेषण. ऍज मॅच ह्या वाक्यातला जो करता आहे तो डिग्री चेंज करताना पॉझिटिव्ह, डिग्री चेंज करताना या ठिकाणी तो काय म्हणला? कर्म. आता एक लक्षात घ्या विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ही डिग्री चेंज करताना इथे कुठेही तुम्हाला नकारात्मक शब्द दिसत नाही. म्हणजे वन ऑफ द सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्रीची रूपांतर पॉझिटिव्ह मध्ये किंवा कंपॅरेटिव्ह मध्ये करताना, पॉझिटिव्ह किंवा कंपॅरेटिव्ह मध्ये करताना तुम्हाला कुठेही नकारात्मक वाक्य दिसणार नाही. मागच्या तासिकेला मी सांगितलं होतं एक डिग्री होकारार्थी असेल तर दुसरी डिग्री नकारार्थी असेल. जर वाक्य नकारार्थी असेल तर डिग्री होकारार्थी. परंतु या ठिकाणी मात्र इन दिस केस त्या पद्धतीचं होत नाही. या ठिकाणी दोन्हीही डिग्र्या ह्या होकारार्थीच होत्या. कारण एका गोष्टीची तुलना इतर गोष्टींची या ठिकाणी त्यातली वन ऑफ दी सुपरलेटिव्ह, वन ऑफ दी बेस्ट त्यातलं. आणि म्हणून अशा प्रकारे या ठिकाणी ही 2च वाक्य मी घेतलेली आहे. कारण ही वाक्य मागच्या 1 तासाला घेतली, त्याच्या मागच्या तासाला, कारण याचं एकच कारण की तुम्हाला पटकन समजावं. अशा प्रकारे आज आपण वन ऑफ द सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री याचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. या डिग्रीचं रूपांतर पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री मध्ये कसं केलं जातं. मी तुमच्यासाठी नोट्स पाठवलेले आहेत. PDF मध्ये मी नोट्स पाठवतो, त्यामध्ये स्टेप दिलेले आहे, उदाहरणं दिलेली आहे आणि सोडवण्यासाठी सरावासाठी एक्सरसाइज सुद्धा दिलेली आहे. इयत्ता 10वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी NTS च्या सराव चाचण्या संस्थापन त्या कंपल्सरी सोडवायच्या आहे. विषयाच्या चाचण्या कंपल्सरी सोडवायच्या आहे. त्यातील जो भाग जे ऑनलाईन तासिकाचं ते सुद्धा डेट वाईज आपापल्या वहीमध्ये लिहायचं आहे. कारण शाळा चालू झाल्यानंतर मी ते सर्व तुमचं लेखी काम बघणार आहे. याची सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी नोंद घ्यावी. आता तुम्ही या फळ्यावरचा 1 पेज आणि मी पाठवलेलं PDFचं 1 पेज, 2 पेज तुम्ही लिहायची आहे, अगोदर वाचायची आहे आणि त्यानंतरच स्वाध्याय सोडवायचा आहे. Understood students? We have finished this topic, one of the superlative degree, how to change into positive. Tomorrow we are going to learn more about how to change one of the superlative degree into comparative. Thank you very much.